Hey everyone, Big Sam 7 here. Just wanted to show you guys my summer project with my XRS. As you can see, it was a hell of a job. Complete strip, everything. To get powder coated. So I'm currently in the process of reassembly. Everything goes fine. So I've powder coated the spindles. All the wire harness is passed. Everything is riveted back on. Man, it looks good. Can't wait until winter. Painted the chain case cover yellow. Did a little caliper job. Looks great. So yep, that's pretty much it. And as you may have known, I blew up the engine last winter. So I was already rebuilding my spare one. This one. It's totally empty. No crank in it. So it's a complete rebuild for that one. The other one had a crank seal issue on the clutch side, so it burned down the clutch side cylinder. Well, you can see this is the head from my other engine. I don't have the engine right now, it's stored, so you can see it ran lean. So yeah, and these are the pistons that were inside my spare one. So new pistons and crank seal for this one, and that's the one I'm gonna drop in for this winter. It's in good shape. In great shape. So yeah, can't wait to be finished. Can't wait to finish to build that sled up. It's gonna look awesome. And also my dirt bike, which when I'm not working on the sled, that's what I do. CR 125. As you can see, pretty much of all my machines are pretty clean. I like things clean. Oh, and I've powder coated the rims at the same time that I sent my frame to, as well as the clutch covers and the RC valve cover. And I painted the hubs myself. It looks great. I love it. It's a fun dirt bike. Rides awesome. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you'll see riding vids of this beast this winter. Completely black. Awesome. So thanks you guys for watching, and stay in touch. Vids are gonna come on soon. So thank you.